Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to register for HSBC Online Banking. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for HSBC Bank. Then I'm going to click on the first link that pops up. So as you guys can see, this is their official website. So next we're going to click on Banking, which is found on the top left corner. Then you're going to click on Bank Account. Then as you can see, they'll tell us how to apply, what we need. So we're going to click on how to apply. So before that, they'll tell us what we need, their overdraft rules, how to proceed with it. Then they'll tell us who can apply. So as you can see, you guys should read this if you're 18 or older and all those things. So you have to apply through the app. So you're going to click on apply an app for a sole account. So once you download the app and you have proof of valid ID, you guys can continue through the app. So next, you're going to use either your credit card number or your phone banking number and click on continue. Then you're going to write your username and password. Again, click on continue. So registration is complete now. This is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.